Hey everyone, continuing our PLL series with the E algorithm. This is the adjacent corner swap. I like to do a vertical adjacent corner swap because it lets me do this X prime R trick where you flip your hand and then you get two moves for the price of one. So let's take a look at how that goes. So here we have it set up for it. Notice green and orange on the green and red, and green and red on the green and orange. That tells me that it's going to be the same setup on the other side. So here's what you do. You're here, you've gotten your solve here, you flip your hand up, and you start doing this fun little algorithm. And let's see, there we go. So basically what I'm looking for in this algorithm is I'm here, I flip my hand up, and the top's going to go with an R prime. Then I go down and I go the same direction on the bottom, back up to the top, reverse the direction, reverse, so the same direction on the bottom again. Now's where it gets weird. You bring it up, the top goes a U again, and the bottom goes in the opposite direction, then you flip it back up and back down. So what it is you flip your hand up to the top and do your X prime R trick, U prime, same direction as a U prime, U, bottom same direction as a U, up, it's a U again, opposite direction, up, U prime, down, opposite direction. And there you have it. So it's really just looking for that sort of motion. It's up, and then they both go the same direction. Well, they both go the same direction twice, as I try to go the wrong way. And then we come up, and now we were alternating, now it doesn't alternate, and they go opposite directions for the finish. So same direction, opposite direction, and opposite direction. And there you have it. So let me know if you have an algorithm you prefer, or if you have any questions on what I'm looking for when I do these. Basically, this is to get you from kind of being able to do it to being able to do it blind. You have to be able to do it frequently and quicker and quicker and quicker, and eventually you stop looking at the cube. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.